The first day itself, I thought I can't do this. But day by day, after watching your videos, it is becoming better and better.
What is your favorite, best part?
Motivation mainly. You are such a good motivator. I don't know whether I can do this as a career. I have no confidence. So now I am building my confidence day by day. The movement is just awesome. Day by day, we are learning something.
Hi everyone, meet Anju. She's from Kerala and she is a digital nomad. And she got into the digital nomad movement, and in just 22 days, she got her first client. So congratulations, Anju. Great job.
Thank you.
So is that true? Did you really get the client?
Yes, I really get a client through social media, Instagram.
Okay.
And just in my 20 days, I got a client in 20 days.
So are you a total new beginner for entrepreneurship business? Or?
Yes, of course. I'm totally new to this field.
Okay, so you have no previous experience?
No, nothing.
Okay, so how did you get this client? Like, what happened? How did they say?
I just followed your strategies. That is how to get a client through Instagram.
Got a call?
Yeah.
Okay.
How to get a client through Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. I just simply followed your strategies and finally got one client.
Okay. So great. Good job. So how do you feel now?
I feel great. I don't think I can achieve this. Means just I followed your strategies. Nothing more.
So did not use any of the brain, just followed what was told, and then you got.
No, I'm just a beginner, so I don't know how to approach a client. So I just followed your strategies. That's how it happened.
Great. So now you're in which day? 25, 26? 22 days. So you got your client on 22nd day, or in which?
20th day.
20th day.
Yeah.
So you have successfully launched your business in 20 days.
Yeah.
Great. So how was this 20 days journey? Was that easy? Was that difficult? Like, is it theory or like how was it?
That's I thought 30 days how to achieve success in your career. But it was so simple. If you have caliber to learn anything, you can simply achieve. Only thing is you need confidence to communicate with the clients.
Correct. So
day by day it is improving. The first day itself, I thought I can't do this. But day by day, after watching your videos, it is becoming better and better.
And did you get the confidence? Is that only skills that we're teaching, or are we also giving you confidence about mindset and everything? So did you get, like in the program, are you getting the confidence? Your mindset is changing. Is your mindset changing?
Yes, sir, of course.
Okay. Cool. So what is the best part of this program for you? What is your favorite, best part?
Motivation mainly. You're such a good motivator.
Okay.
A person like me needs a mentor like you, because I lack motivation. So too much demotivated in life because of so many things. And as a mentor, you are just awesome.
Okay, thanks. It means a lot. And the next question is, do you feel this was the best investment that you've done for your life? Is that the best investment? What do you think?
Yes, of course. If you're willing to study or learn new things or take a challenge, it will be a good thing.
Okay. Why do you think it's the best decision you have done?
Because as you said, I love the way of a digital nomad. That's the only reason.
Okay.
And we need to find freedom in our life, not a 9-to-5 job. So I'm here in this course.
Okay. So now you've slowly started to connect and get in new clients, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And if someone wants to join this program, if they come through my webinar or videos and they apply, you also applied your first call, right?
Yes.
Then if they go through the call, what do you have to say for them?
Means I don't get you, sir.
Okay. So if someone applies and someone wants to
Okay.
join the program, should
Okay.
they join, or they will always think, is this worth? Will they teach us? Is this scam? There are money frauders. So what do you recommend for those people?
I will surely tell them to take this course. If you're ready to take a challenge, or if you need to improve your confidence, then surely you can go for this. I will ask that.
Okay. Why should they join?
To improve their life quality.
Correct. So
Means, anybody can have a normal life, but if they take a challenge for a few days, they can change their life.
Correct. So now you're getting the confidence that you can change your family's life.
Yes.
Very soon, correct?
Yes.
So how do you want to rate your confidence, and how do you want to before?
In the first day, it was actually, as I said, it was an experiment for me. I don't know whether I can do this in my as a career. I was totally, I have no confidence. So now I'm building my confidence day by day. After reading so many messages in our group, they are also learning on building confidence. I'm also by checking their messages. Oh, I'm sure they're just like me, and I can also do that. So
got it. Okay, and did this course help you to start your business, or
yes.
did this course give you meet your expectation? So you had some expectation that this is something which I need. Did we meet your expectation?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So what are the skills that you've learned? Different skills. Can you share the new skills?
Mainly the communication. Means I am not a person who will talk to a stranger.
Yeah.
So I don't have a capacity to meet a stranger and talk. But now I have meet so many clients through social media, talking to them, talking about their business, and all. It builds a little bit of confidence inside me. This much, these days, and you will develop in coming sessions.
Correct. So in 3 to 6 months, if you put all your effort, let's say you put your 100% of effort and follow everything, 3 to 6 months, where do you see yourself?
I don't think that way, but I'm confident enough. I can handle a minimum 3 to 4 clients or 5 to 6 clients.
Yeah, great. So let's say each paying minimum 25, 30,000, 35,000. You're making a lakh of income. So do not stop. You're in the right place. Okay. You just got started. You already got the result in just 22 days.
Yeah.
And now moving forward, you will learn more. So
yes.
Final, what do you have to say for someone who just want to learn, or what's your takeaway? Like anything else you want to share about me, the program, the movement and everything? Is there anything?
The movement is just awesome. Day by day, we are learning something. Learning how to improve your life, how to improve mentally. You're getting motivated, everything. So you have something to do fruitfully every day. You're doing something.
So productively, you're doing something.
Yeah.
So obviously, that improvement will lead you to good result and good life in the.
Yeah, we need to take some small steps to improve our life now. So we are taking such small steps to improve our life.
Okay. Awesome. It was really good to see that You have got your first result, first client. Wish you more good luck and more power to you.
Thank you, sir.
See you in the weekly calls.
Thank you.